woke up wishing summer would pack its bags and leave already. But silver lining, I'm wearing the loungewear set I stitched recently. And let me tell you, this sunshine yellow outfit is giving a ray of hope and energy while I am melting like a popsicle. The only redeeming quality about summer are the fruits. Today I'm starting off with my summer breakfast. Watermelon for hydration, jackfruit because it's the love of my life until mango arrives, and green tea, my constant partner. I'm obsessed with jackfruit. But the problem, my stomach can only handle 2 pieces before it stages a full-blown protest. But do I give up? No. This is a toxic relationship I refuse to walk away from. Today's mission, turning this absolutely adorable daisy printed satin fabric into a bias skirt. Now satin and I have a complicated relationship. It's beautiful, but it's very difficult to work with. So I'm keeping it simple with a bias skirt because I don't want to go crazy while sewing. As for the matching top, let's just say the design idea hasn't arrived yet. Until then, skirt it is. I have placed the fabric on the bias, aka the magical 45-degree angle. This magical diagonal lets the fabric drape well. If you don't cut it on bias, your skirt is just gonna hang there like it has given up on life. No flow, no stretch, no sass. Now that's the front and that's the back. And yes, I have cut out a lining too because this fabric is white and I don't like visible inner seams. Place the front on top of the back and sew the sides. Do the same thing with the lining as well. Inserted the wrong side of the main fabric into the lining and stitched it around the waist. Next, take an elastic of 1 inch width and wrap it around your waist. Once it feels snug but breathable, cut it. Now take the ends of the elastic, stack them neatly on top of each other like a sandwich and sew them together using a zigzag stitch. This helps it stay secure and flexible. Now fold the waist and mark 4 points. Basically you're dividing it into 4 equal parts. Do the same with the elastic. Fold it and mark 4 points to match the waist markings. Align the waist markings to the elastic markings, pin them in place and then sew it all together using a zigzag stitch. You might have to stretch the elastic while sewing. I decided to take a lunch break because I hadn't moved in hours. I'm making a simple salad with everything I have. Started with some leftover rice that got promoted to herb rice. Added boiled rajma for protein. Then came the usual suspects: chopped onion, cucumber and tomato for that crunchy freshness. Avocado walked in for the good fats, acting like it owns the place. Salt and pepper for taste. Lime for that dramatic tangy twist, and coriander because my brain is permanently programmed to believe it makes everything gourmet, thanks to my mom. Mix, 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 and boom, a salad that's fresh, filling, healthy and also delicious. I'm also sipping on some hot water with cumin seeds because apparently it's good for digestion, and honestly I kinda love the flavor. At this point I don't even know when I quietly transitioned into this person, the one who cares about what she eats, avoids toxic people and fully romanticizes her slow paced life. Past me was out here chugging beer or vodka and ignoring red flags like they were cute decor. They say the harder you party in your 20s, the slower your 30s will be. And I'm not mad about it. I'm vibing, I'm healing, I'm sipping jeera water, life's good. Now here's how the elastic situation is looking. It looks neat and ready to behave. Next I'm going to put up a stitch over here so that when we fold it inwards, it'll look smooth and seamless. Next we fold the elastic inward and sew along the sides from the top down to where the elastic ends. This will keep the elastic inward and in its well-behaved place. Now the last step is to double fold the edges of the main fabric and sew it, and do the same thing with the lining as well, and the skirt will be ready.
Could you get up soon? I get so cold in the other room. Here I am, honey, half awake. Get yourself moving and you'll be okay. Do 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 do.